3, 2, 1.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. From wherever you're watching this video, welcome to Moneycoin Apps and Airdrop. My name is Desmond. Today, I will be teaching you how to authenticate KYC BattleSteed AI accounts. I'm currently on their Twitter page, which has the step-by-step guide. But I'm going to do a video for those that can't easily do that, so it will be easier for them. But the first guide here, let's look into it. It says open your PS wallet and click my profile on the home page. Then this second step, it says click Google Authenticator. Then the third step says copy the Google Authenticator key on the BattleSteed app or scan the QR code. Then the fourth step here says paste on your Google Authenticator or scan the QR code. Then the fifth step says click add and then you can view the dynamic verification code. Sixth step says go back to the BattleSteed app and click I am bound. A binding button will disappear after binding. The seventh step says the binding is successful according to the steps. Check that there are six digits displayed in the Google Authenticator app, which means the binding is successful. Do not delete the Google Authenticator app. This is the only way to prove that you are the account owner. Please note that Google Authenticator is not banned. Do not click I have banned because the Google Authenticator button will disappear after you need to bind Google Authenticator. Click I have already banned. Okay, so I'm going to put you through this process so you don't make mistake. That is the purpose of this video for those who have been through my referral code. So the first thing we'll do, let's go to their website. I tried downloading it from Google Play Store this morning, but I was seeing different of the version which are not the current version. Now I decided to come to their website and click on download. So if you are using Android phone, you click on the Android APK, or you can follow here and download it on Google Play Store if you don't want to get the wrong version. Now after I've done that, I've already downloaded the app. We come to the app. Now when I come to the app, I'll click on my profile at the the left side of the done. So click on it. Now the next thing I'll come to Google Authenticator. I'll click on it. Now when I come to Google Authenticator, please take note, do not click I have banned. Don't do that, please. What you should do is click on this code and copy. Then I'll copy it. Copy. Successful. Now I'll go to my Google Authenticator. Now click on get started. I just downloaded the app. So the next thing I'll do, when you open your Google Authenticator, it has scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I'll click on enter a setup key. Now I'll enter account name BattleSteed. Now your key, the key which I copy, I'll paste it here. So I'll click on add. Now it has generates me this key. I'll go back to my app and now I'll click I have banned. Now operation successful. That is how to ban, or that is how to authenticate KYC BattleSteed AI account. Please, if this video is helpful to you, do share with your friends and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am your friend Desmond. Do have a wonderful day and bye for now.